Welcome to GOA 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines.
It is BJP versus BJP war in Mormugao for the second day in a row. This time it was Alina who reacted sharply to the comments made by her fellow BJP Movin. Light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers in Goa after some heavy rain. Maximum and minimum temperatures likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. There is an ambulance but no driver and a patient had to lie helpless for hours just few meters from the hospital.
Now the news in detail. The BJP versus BJP war in Mormugao has escalated further. This time, the BJP MLA Alina Saldana reacted sharply to the comments made by her fellow BJP MLA Movin Gudino against her. Alina alleged that Movin made such statements meant that he was feeling insecure and he has not done any development in Kortalim even though he was an MLA for last 20 years. This clash also led a top BJP leader to say that Movin has Congress mindset.
Yesterday, Dabolim MLA Movin Gudino hit out at his neighbour Alina Saldana for not taking up any development work and that whatever development is in Kortalim was his effort, and that Alina was taking credit for his work. Alina now blamed Movin for taking credit of her development works. Like Movin, Alina too brought late former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in the picture, saying Parrikar gave her charge of Kala Bhavan as Movin failed to complete it. Alina said being minister for 3 terms, Movin ignored Zuari Nagar. It was her husband Matani Saldana who took up sanitation work in Zuari Nagar and she is taking the legacy forward.
It is only when you are insecure that you feel the need to claim what others have done as your own. The whole of Sankwal has been telling me time and again that the foundation stone for the Panchayat Ghar was laid 2 times. Where was it laid? Inside Movin Gudino's office. And I would like to state that till date the stone is still in the office because the Panchayat Ghar has not yet seen the light of the day. How many years was Movin Gudino the MLA of Kortalim constituency? 20 years. 20 years were not enough for him. The fact is that he was never interested. He was never interested in developing the constituency, in working for the people, and now he feels the need to claim credit for the works that I have done. He claims that he did the Kortalim market project. Now that is a real joke. I feel very sad that men of his age can resort to such lies. How the entire process of tendering, entire process of getting the work done, selection of tiles, everything has been done. Unless maybe, who knows, in his dreams he did the project. I would like to challenge Movin Gudino to point out a single complete structure in the constituency of Kortalim that has been done, taken up and completed by him. There isn't a single structure. He was the MLA of Kortalim constituency for 20 years. आणि याच खातीर लोक जेन्ना तो सांगता आपूण येतलो म्हाज्या मनशाक धरतलो लोक विचारता कित्याक कितें करपाक 20 वर्सां पावूंक ना ताका कितें तरी करपाक आनी दाखोवपाक की आपणें 20 वर्सां कुटाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो MLA जावन हें तरी केलां म्हूण कांय करूंक ना. He started the Kalaba. It was just basically the outer shell with staircases and maybe no tiling, no flooring, no electrification, no auditoriums, no bathrooms done, nothing, no water connection, nothing. And I knew that this project was riddled in many issues and I didn't want to take it up. But only again because the late Chief Minister Parrikar ji asked me, he told me, look Alina, there is quite a lot of money that the government has put into this project, so you cannot let go of that project. Please take it up. I would like to ask him, did he do anything in Zuari Nagar? The population is increasing. Okay, there was an urgent need of toilets and bathrooms for the people because they did not have this infrastructure. Till there is not a single bathroom or a toilet that was specifically constructed by Mobin Gudino. The first toilets were constructed by late Matani Saldana, and after Matani Saldana, I have done the project. He did not think of any section of the society. Nothing has been done. And now he claims everything he says. I mean, at this age, resorting to such lies, it is indeed a shame. Real shame. Okay? And I would like to tell him that as a Minister for Protocol, please, if you cannot, abide by the protocol rules and regulations, then you should give up that post. And I also request my party, the BJP, to put some sense in this mind of his, because he's losing control, I think. He doesn't know what he's talking. Everything he has done. And yet the execution, the planning and execution happened during my tenure. So why is he lying? I request the BJP party to which I belong to kindly intervene and put a stop to this nonsense that is going on. And I would also like to tell this MLA, stop your pathetic behavior. Your insecurity can be seen through. Thank you.
Kortalim BJP President Narayan Naik and South District President Tulsidas Naik, Sakwal Punch member, also hit out at Marvin.
ही प्रवृत्ती जी पळय आसा ती काँग्रेस प्रवृत्ती. आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टी हांगा घडयल्या गुठ्ठाळान आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे आमचेर संस्कार जाल्ले आसा आनी आमी बरी प्रवृत्ती अजून दवरून आसा. आमची प्रवृत्तीन तो काल पयर येयला तेणें थोडोसो टायम घेवन शिकची, कोणाक कितें म्हणप, जावं तो मिनिस्टर ताका फूल रिस्पेक्ट आसा, पण सगळ्याक तेणें तेजे प्रोग्रामाक येवना अशें वायट म्हणप न्हू आशिल्लें.
म्हाका जेन्ना इन्विटेशन मेळ्ळें तें इन्विटेशन हांवें जेन्ना वाचलें तेजेर पळय जाल्यार आमचे लोकल MLA मॅडम अलिना साल्ढाणा हिजें खंय तरी नांव नाशिल्लें. दाबोलीचे जायत जाणांक आपयलेले. कोर्तालीम आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जी पंचायत येता थंय जी आमची सिटींग MLA आसा तिका कित्याक सायडीन काडली. आयज हांवें पळयलां CM सुद्दां जेन्ना दुसरी कोणाची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाता थंय समज आमचो पार्टीचो सोडून ओपोजिशन सुद्दां जेन्ना MLA आसता जावं ते सरकारी कितें आमचे फंक्शन आसता तेन्ना सुद्दां तो त्या फंक्शनाक ते ओपोजिशन आपयता. आनी आयज आमचे जे सिटींग MLA आसा हे फंक्शन आसा हे पब्लीक फंक्शन, हे गव्हर्मेंट फंक्शन, हे कोणाचे पर्सनल फंक्शन न्हू. आपले पर्सनल फंक्शन आसत जाल्यार ते आपले रायट आसता, कोणा आपप कोणा ना ते.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Kortalim.
2 persons were injured after a truck going towards Karwar from Mormugao fell off the road at Bali. The 2 has been shifted to Hospicio for treatment.
Locals said that the truck driver was probably drunk at the time and a major tragedy was averted as there was no vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Police should increase patrolling, demanded locals. The locals also complained that narrow road from Kukolim to Bali is leading to road mishaps and demanded that it be widened.
हो जो ट्रक आसा तो आयज मडगांवच्यान कारवार वयतालो. म्हाका पूण हो असो रोड आसा हो बारीक आसल्या कारणान दोन गाडी बरोबर सुटना. पयरो 8 दीस पयलीं एक एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो, 8 दिसान हो परत एक्सिडेंट जाला. आतां आमी सरकारा फुडें कितली फावटी तरी सांगले, सरकाराच्या अजुनूय लक्षांक येना. आनी म्हाका दिसता अशें की सरकाराच्या लक्षांक येना रोड वाडोवपाचो, खंय जाय थंय वाडोवपाचो, नाका थंय वाडयता ते रोड.
सो कितली जाणां मार लागल्यात?
आज एक ड्रायव्हर जो आसा तो पुलिसांत आसा आनी दुसरो जो आसा तो हॉस्पिटलांत गेला. ताका अजून पर्यंत तेका कितलो सामान लागत तो अजून कांय कळना.
2 जाण इंजर्ड आसात.
रोड जरी वाडोवचो म्हणून सरकाराचें अजूनय लक्षच ना. ज्या जाग्यार रोड वाडोवपा जाय त्या जाग्यार रोड वाडयनात, दुसऱ्याच जाग्यार भलत्याच जाग्यार रोड.
डेली एक्सिडेंट जाता
डेली एक्सिडेंट जाता कंटिन्यू सामकें. नॅशनल हायवे हो. गांवच्या लोकांनी कितली फावटी तरी विनंती केली हांगा एक रोड ब्रॉड जायना, तो जायना. स्पीड ब्रेकर तरी घार म्हणली थंय. आतां एक 50 मिटर थंयच आसा.
म्हण अजून ते सुद्दां घातलें ना.
तेंय घातलें ना अजून, तेंय जायना.
हो जो आसा हो नॅशनल हायवे 17, हो नॅशनल हायवे 17 इतलो बाळ्ळी हांगा अशीर आसा कुंकळी साकून जो बाळ्ळी जर वचत जर एक गाडी दोन गाडी सुटपाक खूब त्रास जातात. आज हो जो ट्रक राती पडला हो राती 7:30 पावणे 8 सुमार पडला आणि हितूंतले 2 जाण जे आसात ते इंजर्ड जाले कडेन आसात. ड्रायव्हर बरो आसा, ड्रायव्हराक कांयच जालें ना. हेज्या 10 दीस पयलीं हांगच्यान 50 मिटरांचेर सेम सायडीक एक ट्रक पडलो. ही जी एक्सिडेंट जावपाची जी हे आसा ती अक्षरशः चालूच आसा. ह्या हेजेर लोकांनी खूब मागले की हांगा हो रोड गव्हर्मेंटाक जे PWD एक्वायर केल्या त्या जाग्यान तरी तेणी मातशें वायडनींग करचें म्हणून. पूण हांगा खंय तरी PWD जी ऑथॉरिटी आसा ही खूब कमी पडले कडेन आसा ह्या रोड हें करपाक. आज लोकांनी पोटी मागणी केल्या की मातशे पांय पडटात, मातसो रोड तुमी वायडनींग करा. डेली गाडी पडटात. 8 दिसां भितर चालूच आसा हांगा आनीक बारीक एक्सिडेंट तर चड जाता. आज हो जो ट्रक आसा हो मडगांव साकून कारवार वयतालो आनी राती आमकां माहिती मेळट्या प्रमाणे की हो जो ड्रायव्हर आसा तो पिले कडेन आसलो आनीक तो सध्या पुलीस स्टेशनार आसा कुंकळेच्या. पूण आमी मागतात की रातची जी पेट्रोलिंग आसा ती पेट्रोलिंग करची आनी हे जे ड्रायव्हर सोरी पिवन जे गाडी चलयतात तेंचेर खंय तरी एक्शन जावपाक जाय. आज बरें आसा की कोण मोदी मेळना आनी जर कोणी मोदी मेळ्ळो जाल्यार तो वाचता आसलो काय कितें खंय तरी हेजेर हे एक्शन पुलिसेन करपाक जाय आनी घेवपाकूच जाय. गोवा 360 खातीर बाळ्ळी साकून रमेश नायक रावत.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The ambulance is there, but there is no driver. A relative of a councillor had to be shifted to the South Goa District Hospital. But as there is no driver, COVID patients remain sitting for hours just a few meters to the hospital.
Here is the bitter experience, and it was experienced no one but a Margao councillor. He brought one patient to hospice. He tested positive there and to be shifted to the South Goa District Hospital. There was an ambulance parked right in front, but it had no driver. The patient had to wait for hours. Ironically, the watchman at the hospital refrained media doing its job saying orders came up from top not to allow anyone to do shooting here. As listened to grievances by councillor.
हांव हांगा हितूर येयलो आमगेली हॉस्पिसी हॉस्पिटलान एक पेशंट हाडलेलो. त्या पेशंटाक आतां हाडल्यार 1 वर मायज जालें. तो चॅक करून उरल्यार तेका खंय पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ म्हणून तेणें तेका आतां भायर हेजेर घालून दवरलो. स्ट्रेचराचेर दवरलें. 1 वर जालें. आतां हिंगा एक एम्बुलन्स ना. तो सांगता म्हाका एम्बुलन्सा भितर सांगता तेंगे खंय एकूच ड्रायव्हर आहा. सो हेजे व्हडल्या हॉस्पिटलाक एक ड्रायव्हर तेका विचारलें. तो म्हाका म्हणपालो आपूण तुका भितर हें करपाक दिना आनी काडपाक येता. आमकां जर तर कितें कोणाकूय सांगपाकूय मेळटा जाल्यार हेंय जर तर इतली हिस्ट्रीक आहा. आज हो सरकार कितें करता? सरकाराक जाय हें तो हें आसता कि अच्छे दिन आएंगे हे आएंगे पळय मरने के बाद अच्छे दिन आएंगे सबके. हे हांव डायरेक्ट सांगता तेंकां. कित्याक एक मनशाक आतां हिंगा हाडून दवरल्यार 1 वर जालें. पॉझिटिव्ह आहा सिरियस तो आनी तेका व्हरपाक एम्बुलन्स ना. आनी एम्बुलन्स हांवें फोन केल्यार हेजेर मेसेज येता गलत नंबर म्हूण डायल केल्लो. हांवें तो प्रूफ हें करून दवरलो आहा तेंगेलो.
तुका हिंगच्यान पेशंट खंय वचपाक लागला?
आतां हिंगच्यान पेशंट फक्त पळय त्या डिस्ट्रिक्टाक शिफ्ट करपाचो. तेका शिफ्ट करपाक 1 वर लागता आतां.
हिंगच्यान कितें 1 किलोमिटर?
हे 1 किलोमिटर आहा हिंगसून व्हरपाक. फक्त 1 किलोमिटर. 1 किलोमिटर मे बी 1 किलोमिटर मातशें कितें एक हें आसत. आनी तेंकां खंय थिंगच्यान धाडपाक एम्बुलन्सा ड्रायव्हर ना. एकूच ड्रायव्हर आहा म्हूण सांगताय ते हिंगा. आनी दुसरें म्हळ्यार एक एमर्जन्सी हिंगा एम्बुलन्स ना जाल्यार हो सरकारान कित्याक आमकां हें जाय आमकां असले आं?
Many reporters have experienced such conditions in many hospitals. The treatment in any hospital is the right of each individual. But patients go through horrifying conditions from registration counters till beds. However, in every hospital, the security or police stop journalists from shooting the hospital. The reason behind it must be explained by the health minister. Our reporter too has faced the same fate.
आज आमी मडगांवच्या हॉस्पिटलान येयल्ले. एक कावन्सिलरान म्हाका फोन केलो की तेच्या पेशंटाक हांगा एडमीट केला. एकांक सुमार हाडिल्लो ताका तपासपाक हाडलो. तेन्ना ताका दोतोरांनी सांगलें की ते पेशंटाक हांगाल्यान डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाक 1 किलोमिटराचेर थंय व्हरचें पडटलें म्हणून सांगलें. एकांक हें सांगिल्ली खबर आनी 2 जाली. तरी पण हांगा एम्बुलन्स आसली पण तेंचें सांगणें आसलें की हांगा एम्बुलन्साचो ड्रायव्हर आहा म्हणून. 1 वर जालें म्हणून ताणी म्हाका फोन केलो की पळया म्हणून कितें स्थिती ती हांगा. जेन्ना आमी हें पळोवपाक येयले तेन्ना आनी हांव ते कावन्सिलराची मुलाखत घेवपाक लागलो तेन्ना म्हाका सेक्युरिटीन ऑब्जेक्शन केलें आनी तेंच्यांनी म्हाका सांगलें की तुमकां हांगा भितून शूट करपाक मेळना. एमएसआची काय कोणाची ऑर्डर आसा म्हणून सांगलें. तेन्ना मागीर हांवें तेंची गेटी कडेन येवन मुलाखत घेतली. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसना की हे गव्हर्मेंट अशे रिपोर्टरांक भायर कित्याक घालता, कितें आपले कितें हे वाऱ्यार येत कितें लिपोवपाक सोदता, कित्याक घडटा काय हेजेर चवकशी जावची. गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तळेकर.
A scam of crore has taken place in the tender of the renovation work of Kala Academy. Goa Forward alleged accusing Kala Academy President Govind Gowde of corruption. A company has been appointed on a nomination basis and the tender has been passed without doing necessary procedures. We will approach the courts, Goa Forward Vice President Durgadas Kamath said. Meanwhile, Govind Gowde challenged Goa Forward to prove his allegations.
Replying to these allegations, Kala Academy President and Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde says, if one calls it a scam, then it does not become a scam. They should present the evidence and prove the allegation. In order to ensure proper renovation work of a building like Kala Academy, the tender has been given to the right company, Govind said. Listen.
We were digging out this scandal. There's a massive fraud in the estimates. आणि जे एस्टिमेट जाला हे फास्ट फॉरवर्ड जाला. कॅबिनेटान टेबल आयटम म्हणून हाडटात. देयर इज अ मेजर रॅकेट. कंपनी अचानक येता नॉमिनेशन बेसिस. एक वर्सभर लागता सगळं प्रोसेस करपाक. देन वाय डिडंट गव्हर्मेंट गो फॉर टेंडर? देयर इज नो EOI, देयर इज नो एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, देयर इज नो कोटेशन, नथिंग. डायरेक्ट काढून दिता. दिस इज नॉट हे न्ही. सो वी डिमांड, दिस इज अ कला अकॅडमी गेट स्कॅम. हांवें ते तुमकां आतां एक्सप्लेन केला फूल डिटेल. यू शो दॅट. We have documentary evidences. There are complete irregularities, and I am sure we will win this in the case court. In the this case in the court, 100% will approach the High Court in this matter. But I am seeking legal advice on this. Once the legal advice comes, then we will take a decision accordingly.
Amount of this? Total amount is
from 36 crore. The estimate has been inflated to 49 crores. You see the estimate. I'll give you. अरे नवे तू रिनोवेट करता म्हणटा ताजेर मेंटेनन्स म्हणटा 7.5% for 5 years. कंटिंजन्सी म्हणटा 3%. डिपार्टमेंटल चार्ज म्हणटा कितें? आनी एस्टिमेट एक पेजाचो. कोणे करून दिलो एस्टिमेट? एस्टिमेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान केल्लो. दिस हॅज टू बी इन्व्हेस्टिगेटेड. ऑन 12th April, PWD writes to the contractor in Bombay. Same day letter comes, or even let us consider he was in Goa. How did he know that letter is going to come? So this is a clearly match fixing to defraud the state exchequer. Goa Forward Party and the leadership of Vijay Sardesai Bab will not allow this to happen.
दिसता हो एक पॉलिटिकल स्टंट जावन आसा. कारण कला अकादमीचो जे काम जे घेतिल्लें तें सगळें कॅबिनेट एप्रुवल आसा. आनी ह्या कला अकादमीच्या संदर्भान आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट कला अकादमी भितर येता. पण सगळो एस्टिमेशन बाकी सगळो जो प्रोसिजर जो आसा तो आमच्या PWD डिपार्टमेंटान केल्लो आसा. कारण आमी PWD डिपार्टमेंटाक ती आमी एक्झिक्युटीव एजन्सी म्हणून काम दिल्लें आसा. आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान PWDन ज्यो काही गोष्टी सोपस्कर करपाक जाय ते सोपस्कर केल्ले आसा. आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान जी कॅन स्पेशलायज जी एजन्सी जी आसा त्या खातीर काम अलॉट केल्लें आसा. आतां गोवा फॉरवर्डान जो आरोप जो केल्लो आसा, इट इज अ गेट स्कॅम म्हणून, ताजें जर तशें जर म्हणणें जर आसा जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी तें प्रूव करचें आनी नंतर काही गोष्टी लोकां मुखार हाडच्यो. स्कॅम म्हणलें म्हणून स्कॅम जाता. फाल्यां सगळें उदाहरण दवरया. आमी तुवें म्हणलें की टेंडर करनासतना आमी आमचो एक हे फियर आशिल्लो की टेंडर केलो, फाल्यां सगळें खंयचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लो रेट करता, फाल्यां सगळें तें काम केलें आनी गेलें अशें जावपाक जायना. आमी सातत्यान आमी पळयता 20% लोक बिलो मारतात, 5-10% लोक म्हणटा आनी अर्दें कामूय सोडून वता. कला अकादमी ही एक कलाकारां कडेन ताचें एक नातें जोडिल्लें आसा आनी ही कला अकादमी जाता तितले बेगीन ताका सुरू जावन तितून एक्टिविटी सुरू जावपाक जाय अशें आमचें मत आसा. आनी कला अकादमी एज इट इज हायकोर्टान ताजो सुमोटो कॉग्निजन्स घेतलेल्या कारणान बरेचशे काही गोष्टी 1-1.5 वर्स तें प्रलंबीत उरलें आनी नंतर कोरोनाचे थोडेशें सावट आयले नंतर बरोच काही प्रॉब्लेम जालो. आनी आमकां 2 रिपोर्ट जे आशिल्ले ते GSIDC आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे जे गोवा इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजीचे रिपोर्ट जे आशिल्ले ते रिपोर्टान भितर जात तितले बेगीन तेजें स्ट्रेंथनिंग करप हें दोनूय रिपोर्टान म्हणिल्लें आशिल्लें. आनी त्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान ह्या कला अकादमीचें काम आज घेतिल्लें आसा. वी आर व्हेरी ट्रान्सपरंट इन दॅट. तेणें एस्टिमेट प्रिपेर केल्लो आसा. एस्टिमेट प्रिपेर हेजो अर्थ अशें न्ही की बाबा एस्टिमेट जेन्ना इंजिनियर्स ते असतात तांकां खबर आसा, तांकां एक्सपिरियन्स आसता. एखादे वेळी रिपेर जेन्ना आमी काम जेन्ना घेतात तेन्ना फाल्यां सकाळी तो एस्टिमेट हांगाच मोडिल्लो आसा, थंयच मोडिल्लो आसा तें कांय कळना. जितले आयटम आसा, क्वॉन्टिटी आसतले, त्या क्वॉन्टिटी प्रमाणे जितले एक्झिक्यूट जातली तेजे प्रमाणे बील रेकॉर्ड जातलें. हेजो अर्थ अशें न्ही की क्वॉन्टिटी टेंडर इतले 49 क्रोर्साचे काडले, 49 क्रोर्साचें बील जातलें, अशातले कांय गोश्टूच ना.
Listen to what BJP State President Sadanand Sheikh Tanawade has to say on the issue.
पळय, म्हाका ज्या गोष्टीची कांय म्हायती ना, तो कितें आहा तो तेणेन स्पश्टपणे कितें तें सांगचें. म्हाका कांय, हांव ताचेर कांय उलोवंक शकना.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panaji.
The household LPG cylinder has been hiked by 25 rupees. A 848 rupees cylinder will now cost 873.50 rupees. The hike will be enforced from Monday onwards. In Kolkata, 14.2 kgs LPG cylinder will cost 886 rupees, Mumbai 859.5 rupees and in Lucknow 897.5 rupees.
The 19 kgs commercial LPG cylinder has been hiked by 68 rupees. In Delhi, its cost has reached 1,618 rupees. During the start of 2021 in January, this cylinder cost had reached 694. Later in February, the price hike and the cost reached 719 rupees. The hike was done once again in 15 February and it reached 769. The hike on 25th February increased the cost to 794 and in March to 819. During the beginning of April, the price decreased by 10 rupees and cost came down to 809 rupees. There was hike of 165.50 rupees in LPG price within a year, while since December the price has been hiked by 275 rupees. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather. Light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers are very likely to be seen across the state for the next few days. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 30 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively.
Strong winds and speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour likely to prevail until the 20th of August. The IMD also warned fishermen not to venture into the sea during this period. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV or download our app which is available both on Android and iPhone to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.